everyone, is the Play Store showing the can't install app message on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. A weak connection can stop apps from installing. Step 2. Check phone storage. Go to Settings, Storage, and make sure you have enough free space on your phone. Step 3. Clear Play Store cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Step 4. Clear Play Services Cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Step 5. Restart your phone. Restart your phone, then try installing the app again. Step 6. Check for software update. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any available update. Final tip. If the app still does not install, check whether the app is complicated with your Android version. And that's it. This step should help fix the Play Store can't install app issues on your Android phone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.